Thea is here.
Oh, hell yeah!
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring, representing Chase University from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
One of the most impressive and maybe a bit overzealous students to come out of Chase University.
But Thea Hale is dead set on proving that she is a grown woman who can get things done on her own.
This is brilliant.
This is horrible.
Jump starting the action here.
This isn't very sportsmanlike. Oh, give me a break, Saxton. There we go.
Superstars finally enter the ring, and we are officially underway.
Look how she's raining down those elbows. Just never had a chance to block any of those.
Wicked forearm.
Did you hear that thud? Locking up with the collar and elbow.
Into the side headlock here. Bam! Ooh!
And Tatum Paxley is firmly in command.
Hale has to turn this around, and quick.
It wasn't the height or distance that caused the damage, but they certainly contributed.
Oh, what a neck breaker. Turning it around into a
Butterfly suplex.
Oh!
Tatum Paxley is putting her opponent on notice.
Oh, looking to cripple the leg.
Thea Hale gets battered as her opponent goes to work. Corey, what do you think Thea Hale needs to do here if she wants to get the W?
We know Thea loves to charge into things with a head of steam, but she's going to need to pick her spots carefully here. Play it safe even. Now's not the time to make easily avoidable rookie mistakes. Beautiful athleticism.
Knife edge chop echoing through the arena.
Oh, incredible impact. Oh, nails the midsection.
Right on target with a stop to the gut.
She counters it. What the heck is going on here?
I think the devil himself is pulling some strings right now.
Oh, what a forearm! Fends it off. Good counter.
Counters and counters. Each superstar looking dialed in.
And well-timed maneuver there.
Ah, right to the back.
Elbow drop with authority.
Oh.
Hale able to ward that off.
She's starting to wear down here.
Yeah, but at this point, it's still anyone's game.
Thea gets the better there.
A clinic of counters being put on by these competitors.
Boom, nice.
And she's sent right into that corner.
No doubt. Thea's having trouble here.
This is Tatum looking at her best.
Finds a counter for Paxley.
Finally, Thea's able to interrupt.
Top kick.
Laser precision with this superstar's feet.
Things are changing.
Talk about digging deep to give yourself an opportunity to win.
Drop kick.
What are we going to see here?
Oh, neck break. And now Thea for the win. Kick out. She still has life.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming. Oh, How about a punch?
Tatum Paxley into a psycho trap.
Paxley may have sealed things up.
There's two. And that'll do it. It's finally over.
Here is your winner, Tatum Paxley.
A loss handed to Thea Hale here tonight.
No doubt, Tatum Paxley had fun playing in this one.